This recording is for soprano recorders working on the Orange Belt theory and song. In Orange Belt, we have 6 new concepts to learn: half note, half rest, whole note, whole rest, and the notes high C and high D, and their fingerings, plus a review of time signature. In music, some sounds or silences are long and some are short. We have already learned the quarter note and quarter rest, and that they get 1 beat when the time signature has a 4 on the bottom, which is most of the time. You also know that we say ta for the quarter note and sh for the quarter rest. We know that if we see 4 quarter notes in a row that the rhythm is ta, 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 and that if we have a quarter rest, that it will get the same amount of time of silence that it would have had we played the note. Ta, sh, ta, ta. A half note, or half rest, lasts twice as long as a quarter note, so they each get 2 beats. We say ta for the half note and sh for the half rest. Notice that the half note looks exactly like the quarter note, except that it is blank in the middle of the note head. Also notice that the half rest looks a little like a hat just sitting on a shelf. So when there are 4 half notes in a row, we say ta, 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 ta. When there is a half rest instead of a half note, we say sh. So the correct rhythm for the second score of music is ta, sh, ta, ta. A whole note, or whole rest, lasts twice as long as a half note for 4 beats. We say ta for the whole note and sh for the whole rest. Did you notice that the whole note looks like a note with a hole in it? And the whole rest has to hold on to stay attached to the line above it. So when there are 4 whole notes in a row, we say ta, 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 ta. When there is a whole rest instead of a whole note, we say sh. So the correct rhythm for this music is ta, sh, ta, sh, ta. Let's practice counting each line of music. Let's see if you can do it on your own first while I tap the beat. Then you can check your work as I count it out loud. Ready, begin. The first line is ta, sh, ta, 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 sh. Your turn first. Ready, begin. The second line, also called a score, is ta, sh, ta, 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 sh. Your turn for the third score. We'll go just a bit faster this time. Ready, begin. The third score is ta, ta, sh, ta. Here's the last score for you to try alone. 1, 2, ready, begin. Check your work on the last score. ta, ta, sh, ta, sh, ta, ta. This is a review of time signatures from Yellow Belt because it can be tricky. The numbers at the beginning of a piece tell us how to count in every measure. The top number tells us how far to count, and the bottom number tells us what kind of note to count. In the time signature 2/4, we will count 2 quarter notes in every measure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In the time signature 4/4, we will count 4 quarter notes in every measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the time signature 3/4, we will count 3 quarter notes in every measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm sure that you remembered that in these time signatures, because there is a 4 as the bottom number, that's why the quarter notes always get 1 beat. We have 2 new notes for Orange Belt, high C and high D. C is found in the 3rd space from the bottom, and D is on the 4th line from the bottom. The fingering for the note C is your thumb and 2nd finger. It sounds like this. Now it's your turn to play C. The fingering for D is only your 2nd finger. No thumb. D sounds like this. Now it's your turn to play D. These are the notes you have been practicing in white and yellow belts, plus your 2 new notes for Orange Belt. G, A, B, C, D. They sound like this. Try those notes and see if your notes sound almost like mine. Our Orange Belt song uses all the notes we know. First, let's count it using tas. 2, ready, begin. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Now let's sing the note names and make our fingers play it in rest position. Here's the sound of the first note. 1, 2, ready, sing. G, A, B, C, D, D, A, C, B, G, A, B, C, D, D, A, C, B, D, B, D, B, D, C, B, A, G. Now we can play it, but we're going to play it slowly. 1, 2, ready, begin. practice this as many times as you need to. I'm going to play it one more time, a little bit faster this time, because it needs to go faster when you actually play it. But it's this speed. 1, 2, ready, begin.